A government releases a public list, not just any list, a list that claims to show the most dangerous undocumented criminals inside the United States. And suddenly, a number jumps out: 89. Not just statistics though, 89 individuals of Indian origin now appears on America's controversial worst of the worst criminal database. Then comes the moment this list went live and it sparked global debate. The US Department of Homeland Security launched a new online database. It is not hidden, it is open, searchable, and extremely detailed. The database includes about 25,000 undocumented migrants convicted of serious crimes. It shows their names, their photographs, their crimes, their nationality, and among those thousands, dozens of Indian origin individuals, they suddenly appear, instantly drawing international attention. And you know what kind of crime list they are on? Well, authorities say database focuses on individuals already arrested and convicted. The crimes listed, they are severe, from trafficking to assault, kidnapping, money laundering, everything. Officials describe the people on the list as criminals removed from American community through immigration enforcement operation. The government says the goal is simple: show Americans who has been arrested and what crimes they committed. Then there is political backdrop as well. Well, the list didn't appear overnight. It is part of a larger, aggressive immigration strategy pushed by their president, Donald Trump. In fact, during his campaign also, Trump promised strict action against illegal immigrants, which is now happening. In fact, he declared a national emergency at the southern US border, deployed additional troops, and vowed mass deportation targeting criminals living illegally in America. Now, for his supporters, this is about safety, national security, but for critics, it is controversial, emotional, deeply political. And you know why this list is making waves beyond America? Because immigration is never just about one country. India has one of the world's largest diasporas in the US. Millions of Indians live, work across the globe. So when Indian origin names it appears in such a high-profile criminal database, it triggers strong reactions, media debates, and serious questions about migration system worldwide. Here, supporters argue that public databases increases transparency. It helps community feel safer and hold criminals accountable. But critics say publicly listing nationalities can fuel fear and stigma, and immigration enforcement in several regions has already sparked protest and public backlash. The debate is intense and far from settled. So here's the bigger question: where does this lead? Is this a signal of a tougher immigration policy ahead? Well, will other countries follow similar enforcement strategy, and how will this affect the migrants worldwide?